Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all. You were just pain when you felt it all. Oh. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, I ain't no one but you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, gave my all to you. All you did was tell me lies. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Once you leave me, it's over. No turning back, not today. Don't you come running back now. I'm not a home for the shame. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone.
So my father and I were traveling a lot for business, and we always see parents carrying this huge car seat in the airport. It looked so difficult, and I said to my father, there must be a better way. We had this idea for a travel car seat, the Wavy Pico.
Traveling with a kid is not easy, but sometimes the kid is not the hardest part. It's actually carrying all the stuff that goes with the kid. Bringing a car seat on the plane is miserable, and half the time the kid doesn't even sit in it. If you check it, you never know if it's going to arrive, or what shape it's in. I mean, I know a lot of parents who have skipped the seat at some point. It's a terrible feeling, and you just hope for the best.
We knew that Pico would pass all of the safety regulations, but we also wanted it to be truly innovative and beautifully designed. I'm a dad, and I hate having to use ugly baby products. My family has been making high-end outdoor gears for years, and we wanted to bring the expertise to the baby industry. We use mostly aluminum, which is super light, super strong, and super durable. We have a lot of experience making backpacks, tents, rock climbing harnesses. What sets our factory apart is our focus on quality. We inspect every component and every product. We test every material for the strength and safety.
were there from the start. You watched her take her first steps, gave her first set of wheels. But now she's grown and ready to explore the world. So, how do you keep her safe when you're not there to protect her? Introducing DashPal, an innovative dash cam that does more than watch the road. Here's how it works. DashPal sends an instant alert every time the car starts. And you can even track the car's route in real time. DashPal's camera features a wide field of view that captures every detail in full HD quality, offering you more protection in case of an accident. DashPal also gives you safety tools perfect for young drivers, like speed alert and boundary settings. If your driver goes over the speed limit or boundary area set by you, you'll be the first to know. DashPal stores your car's driving history with facts like distance, time traveled, and fuel cost. DashPal even saves an animated playback of your route, complete with markers that show over-acceleration and hard braking. DashPal is always on, even when your car is off. And with its reliable internal modem, you're always connected via DashPal's app. Ever wonder what that check engine light means? With DashPal, it's easy to find out. DashPal communicates directly with your car and runs a 100-point vehicle inspection, alerting you to any potential problems. Installing DashPal takes only a few minutes and can easily be done without special tools or know-how. DashPal gives you real-time information on your car's location, health, and safety.